Warning: some of the twisted footage you're about to watch will give you goosebumps, chills, and nightmares. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support by hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And thank you for watching.
All right, Ms. Wilson.
You know, it's midnight. What are you doing up here?
Ms. Wilson.
Excuse me, what are you doing up here?
Y'all just trying to see.
No, man, it's midnight. Why are you going
on?
on people's property? This is not a bank. This is not a giveaway fund, man. Get off my property right now, please. Did you go through my gate?
Okay.
Did you go through my gate?
Okay, yeah. I might see you next time. I might see you next time when I wait.
Who are you and why are you at my front door? No, you can't. I don't know who you are, and I don't have chains. You need to stop going up to front doors and asking for chains.
I love you. I gotta go. Okay, I love you. I gotta go.
You need to get off.
Okay, I love you. I gotta go.
You need to get out of here right now.
I love you. I gotta go.
You're on camera. You need to get out before someone else comes over. Stay away. Stay away.
Thank you for watching.